Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. So I just wanted to show you today a quick little video on how I install the bracket and mounting system for the 4Runner hardware packages I sell for the 4Runner plans and install kits for you to do DIY at your own house. So I want to show you first off what you'd need to install it and what comes in the hardware package. So right here you have my Milwaukee drill, the Phillips tip, my Milwaukee drill with a 9/32 bit, which I'll show you in a second what that's for. Tape measure. I cannot live without a framing triangle or framing square, they call it. Got a little edge right there so I can put it on just about anything and get a nice clean angle. And this is what will come in the hardware package when you purchase it on the website. You can find it in the link below. So you have two turnbuckles. As you can see, they're kind of like a boat style turnbuckle where you have a hook on either side. So spin it and that'll release the hook. You see the bigger gap here. Same on the other side, you'll spin the opposite direction and it'll get larger. And then once you get it to hook onto both surfaces, you will spin the middle and it will tighten both hooks to then latch the drawer system down. Next thing is the D-rings. So these are some heavy duty steel D-rings. They fit like that. Once it's on the box, it will look like such. And this will move freely to give you the right angle for the turnbuckles. Now this is the mounting hardware. You have some T-nuts and some heavy duty bolts that obviously screw into the T-nuts like such. So you got enough to do both sides of your box. So here's a 5th gen 4Runner box that I'm installing or building in the shop to install to a customer's vehicle in the next couple days here. So I thought I'd show you real quick how I'm going to set up, mark the holes, drill them, and attach the T-nuts, and give you a little bit of tips and tricks to do on your own box installation at your house. So first things first, this is the side of the drawer system, which will have the D-ring somewhere about there. And the turnbuckle will attach down to the stock D-rings in the 4Runner vehicle. So first, I'm going to come back 3.5 inches here, do a little mark. I always make a arrow so that you know exactly where the point of the 3.5 is. If I were to go like such and mark, let's say up here like this, you don't know if it's this point or this point. It just makes it real simple. I'm gonna then take my little framing square, line it up, draw a line. Perfect. Now I will be able to set the plate of the D-ring just flush with the top here. You can see the line goes right through the center. I'm gonna mark the center of both right there. Boom, boom. Remove it. This is where the drill bit comes in handy. So I will now drill with my 9/32 drill bit through the cross marks right here, all the way through the 3/4 inch to then attach the T-nuts to the inside. So here we go. It's good to have your drill motor on a high setting to get the bit moving quicker to get a cleaner hole through the side of your drawer box here. I'm gonna blow out the inside of the box. All right, so now we've got the 2 holes through both sides here. So this is where the T-nuts come in. They will go on the inside of the drawer box. So I'm gonna set that up. We'll get a hammer, do like 1 pound just to get it set. There we go. And a couple more to get the spikes to go all the way in. You don't have to actually get it in all the way. Once you tighten it, it'll suck it tight. Now we will attach the D-ring. So we're gonna set it up like such. Put these into the 2 holes, finger tight so you can feel the threads of both of these. Once you got a couple threads on, we'll hold this, get our drill motor, There we go, it's in. This will help with keeping your 4Runner box from moving left or right in the vehicle and bouncing up and down. There's also L brackets to attach to the backside, which are also available on the website, with a link in the description below to show you how to install those. Well, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you guys out with your DIY projects at your house.